to work bench, but I ain't gonna whip it out. Damn. Oh, this is a pecan tree up here. Yeah, that's why I had to move, bro. Houses are super cheap down here. Fuck all that. Niggas is well. Can't tell me 130 ain't a lot. And I got property with. There's a lot of grass over here. Put it like that. My lawnmower will run out of charge before I finish. And don't let it rain. This grass grow back in 2 fucking days. But yeah, I started out with 3 watermelon plants. Then I was bugged out and threw some more seeds up in that shit. So now I got, it's like 8 or 9 watermelon plants now. And it's still 80 degrees. To build, you break to build. That's what they do in the army, right? They break you down to build. Oh, you can't see the raised bed. Hold on. Give y'all a quick tour of this shit. I'm just persistent as fuck. And I bust my ass drop kicking somebody the other day, so my my wrist hurt like a motherfucker and I'm doing this shit. Hold on. Alright. Peep game, I just did this. That's dragon fruit up in there, but it ain't start sprouting yet. Here you go. This is what I built with the first little pallet that I came in. Well, you can see those is all beets. This is supposed to be parsley down this line here. This is supposed to be oregano, but I don't see anything sprouting. See, parsley, I don't know. This is cilantro. This is supposed to be basil, which started right there. And then these is all watermelon. So over here is my little compost shit, right? You see all these little, it's fucking fall. You see all this shit? This right here, this right here. This shit up here, that's fucking honeydew. That's all honeydew. That shit is dead ass growing. Yeah, I got beets for days. I love beets. About to juice the shit out of them. Just the other table I built with pallets. And that's just the wholest motherfucking all of these goddamn plants. So these right here, all papaya. That's dead ass all papaya seeds growing right there. Just a little cactus spot right here. So that's all different kinds of cactus. Hopefully when the dragon fruit pop, it goes in there. That's a dandelion I transplanted from Delaware. That's another papaya. That's more honeydew right there. That's crazy ass lizards. I forgot what this is. This is a beautiful plant. That shit just got there by accident. So that's all more papaya. All papaya down here. Then when you come up on this joint, these is watermelons. Those is all watermelons. And under here is kale, Swiss chard, and some other shit. They got my ghetto ass grill. Oh, I got these big ass logs too. About to do something with that. Keep those big ass crickets out from eating it. Ooh. I got a whole nother grow tank right here with the hole already in the bottom. So we're gonna do something with that. And then I built this for shorty because we want a worm composting joint that you can see through. So you can see that, double-sided, drilled through nicely. Hole so it could breathe, leak, all that shit. Yeah, I'm gonna go buy the orange tree soon.